Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. Today I bring you an oldie but a goodie. It is Sid Meiers of RailRoads. It is a simple train game, strategy game. It's a lot of fun, or at least I find it challenging and cool making my own little train sets. So here we go. Let me show you how it works. I am playing against one other opponent, and I'm going to pause the world for a second while we read this. They talk about how the trains are going from nation, all the way from ocean to ocean, and the second is that gold has been found. So if I take a look at Bullhead City, I can actually make gold here, and if we look over here to the left, I've got gold, and then even more important, Vegas, they don't accept gold yet. So I'll be able to get gold, but I won't be able to sell it. There's Bishop, they've got cattle, and they've got cattle close, so that'll be very profitable for them. And this is how I always survey to see where things are. So these guys make wine, so I'm looking to see if there's any place or any grapes close to the winery. Blythe also makes gold. I don't see a gold mine close to it though. Oh, there it is. And then there is Los Angeles, the place where I can really sell my gold. Alright, so I am going to decide to try and make it all the way to Los Angeles, because that's where I can actually sell the gold that I've got. So I'm going to hit T for track, and I'm going to try and make my track as efficiently as I can. Let's see how far across I can get before I have to take out a loan. I can make it quite a ways. So I'm going to sell a little bit of my stock. There I have made it to Los Angeles. I'm going to hit B to build a station. I'm going to move over this way to Blythe. And I'm going to branch this track off so it can go to Blythe. Do I have enough money to build a station? No, I don't. So I'm going to unpause the world. So I hit pause, hit escape to cancel the build. I'm going to sell another piece. And now I'm going to build a station here. And I'm going to put a double track with the letter D. So these are cool shortcuts that you can use to build faster. And now if I do T for track, I'm going to try and make an efficient piece of track and build a station right here so that I can now put my first train with the letter R, and I'm going to have it take 4 loads of gold ore to the Blythe Depot and tell it okay. If you push down the scroll wheel, you can orbit and move around. I have got enough money if I sell another piece to start making gold here. So I'm going to sell another bit, and I'm going to do dual track. I could click this button, but I like the letter D. And with my dual track, I'm going to go to this. Oh, I ran out of money. So my first bit of ore has made it to Blythe. That's how I've got the little bit of money that I do have. So I'm going to build another train right now, and I'm going to have it take my gold ore to the Los Angeles Depot. Now right now, Blythe only accepts grapes and gold, so I can't send anything from Los Angeles to Blythe. But as Blythe becomes a bigger city, it'll accept different cool things. Now this is exciting. I've got a ton of oil, and Tecapi, they demand oil. And I've also got a power plant in Los Angeles. So I'm going to connect that real quick and make the money off the power plant. Oh, it just doesn't quite have enough money yet. You can hit the speed to make it go faster. The letter G also does that too. So I'll tap G to shorten it up. So I'm back to normal speed. Do I have the 25 grand for a Station, nope, but I'm going to hit the letter B because I'll have it soon enough. I've got gold. Nope, I don't have that even happening yet. I can't wait. I'm going to sell that piece, scooch back over here. So I'm using the arrow keys to move to those. There's my build. Now you can buy trains and go in debt. So I'm going to do that after I do this track, build, and then I'm going to do another dual track out here. And I'm going to connect to Las Vegas. So they mentioned that I hit pay dirt. That meant that I actually had some gold. And there's my train to do that. Fill it up. So now I'll be making gold at 2 locations. And then the only problem is these trains will be overlapping. And there's my train from there. This one I'll have do 4 as well and wait to be in fill. So this is essentially what the game is all about. You're trying to build smarter than the person that is building over here. This is an AI opponent. I can buy his stockyard if I had enough money, which right now I don't. And I need to buy my stock soon so that he doesn't buy my railroad. I'm going to dual track this and let this track merge. And I'm going to make another train that leaves from Bullhead with gold. And I'm going to have it come to Los Angeles as well. And soon it'll be able to bring other goods back. Still don't have enough money to make it to Las Vegas. You can see up here the message is that there's a new engine. That one holds more. You can also see that the bad guy just made it to Las Vegas. And right now they want corn. So I get a prize if I get corn there. Here's something kind of sneaky. The corn is actually behind the mountain. So I'm going to dual track this. And I'm going to make a tunnel through the mountain. It's a little bit more expensive, but doggone, that's a much shorter route. And now when I press R, I can start that train. And what's nice about that is I'll earn 100,000 pretty quick for creating it. And then I'll be able to send food to Bullhead City because it'll become a city soon. I just tried to buy the Bullhead City smelter. My opponent will be battling against me, but right now I've got more money than him, and we both have sold out all of our cash. So he doesn't have a whole lot to beat me, and he did not beat me. I'm going to slow the game back down to normal speed. I had it going fast. You can see now Blythe accepts passengers and mail and gold, so I can send stuff to and fro. I want to buy this power plant. I do have enough money to do that, and I'm going to buy a piece of my stock. And then if I look over here, there's San Diego, a huge place that I need to get to. So I'm going to do a double track, and I'm going to hit T for train, or T for track, and bring that on in so I can start getting some of the riches that San Diego has to offer. B was for build, R is for train. I'm going to do 3 and 2, close, and send them. I don't have anything else from LA at the moment, so I'll just do that. The game is broke into 3 sections usually. Right now I've got to get from Vegas to Phoenix to Flagstaff, which I have not done. I've got 37 years to do that. I have shipped the gold, and I've got to keep working on the other ones. you can monitor how your competition is doing. Right now, he's kind of unhappy because I'm crushing him, which is good. And just move through and make all your trains bigger, better, faster. Make your lines smarter as you build, and have fun. So right now he accepts food. So at this point, I can build a train from Las Vegas with people and food, and all of a sudden I'll be making a lot more cash because I've got that going for me. And while his stock's low, I'm going to buy some too, because if I buy him out, I will own everything. I want to own this food plant. I've got enough money to buy it. I'll be battling against him. He'll probably have enough money to try now. And pretty soon I'll be able to take my gold from this place here. So he went up to 108,000. I'll just raise that up. I'll go to 138. I want to have a fourth station here. To do that, I've got to upgrade, or a fourth track. I've got to get all the way to a terminal, and that also increases my unload and load speed and the passengers. I just got my 100,000 for winning the Las Vegas challenge. I don't have any beef yet, but I still want to win the patent. It gives me a delivery bonus for 10 years. I've got enough to make this a terminal, so now I can make a double track. And then I'm going to move over here to Tehachapi, which I am sure I'm not pronouncing correctly. And then I'm going to build a station there. I got lots of cash now, so I'm going to buy 2 more chunks of JP Morgan stock. And this is what I find so fun, is just building and building and trying to whoop the pants off the legends of the train industry. I'm going to buy this refinery low. Now these make goods, so I had to make sure that the goods were being sold to that station, and they are. Ooh, I set a new speed record. Nice. Going to San Diego. Let's see what kind of riches San Diego has. It can do cattle, and there are cattle right behind it. I'm going to do that double track. T. Make sure I'm connecting to the right one. And I'm going to go through the mountains because I like efficiency. And I got enough money that I can right now. And because I got the new mogul, it can handle 6 trains, 6 cars, and still move at a nice clip. So I'll use that. They just gave me credit for making a lot of cash, which is pretty cool. I'm going to change this train so that it carries food as well. So I'll back off 2 of those, and I'll add 3 food spots. Over here I still won't have food though, so I want to make sure that all the passengers are full. And the mail, so you don't want to waste your trains. I've got this train and this train sharing a track. So if I just do this, I can merge these 2. So that way, if they ever run into each other, they've got options, they don't have to wait. And I have not built my train from this area yet, so let's build that. I like to wait until there's at least a few there. I don't wait till those are full, and it won't accept any goods yet, so I won't do that. This is the new place that wants grapes, and if we look around, the closest grapes are way the heck up there. But that's not the worst option. I've got enough money to get there. You know, I might as well. I'm going to change this to a station, see if I can't bump up that gold demand that I want. They also do cattle here, and there's a nice little cattle ranch right here. So I'm going to hit dual track. And bring these out just a little further. And go connect it over there and start me a cattle farm. And of course I want to buy it low. And that's about as low as you'll find a cattle farm at 90K. Up here is Flagstaff, remember? And I also got to get to Phoenix. Probably the easiest way to do that is from over here in San Diego. Work my way around. Although either way would be successful. Man, this guy doesn't have a chance. I'm just crushing him at this level. And it's mainly because he's only got one place he can take his food. None of those other places are close enough. So friends, I'm not going to show you anymore. I just wanted to show you the game was out there. Sometimes you can get it for as little as $1. I do enjoy it. Some levels are way more challenging. When you start it, you can set the levels at much more challenging. And I hope you have fun. I hope you enjoy working with your trains. And hope to see you around. If you have any questions, please add them in the comments below. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit subscribe. And if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video, hit that little notification bell. Have a great day. Keep on chugging.